So this is my son Alex, and Alex, we were told, has muscle weakness on one side of his body. And we decided we were going to bring him in for chiropractic to help because he was at risk for scoliosis. Interestingly, when we started, they had x-rayed him and said he had 10 degrees of curvature. And about 4 months later, he had 1. So we improved greatly. Between this and physical therapy and everything, he's really made a lot of progress. Also, after the birth of my second child, I actually had numbness in my fingers, which was related to a whole bunch of different things that had gone on with a really complicated pregnancy. But over the last couple of months, we've worked on that, and it's improved greatly too. So, we really like it here.